Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. For the past several days or weeks, the price of Bitcoin Cash is getting rejected by this quite long-term downtrend and resistance since after the first week of December 2024. We got few rejections here and few more rejections here. And while moving to the downside and after getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance, we have recently also broken down this very significant uptrend line support as well. That was a quite long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously for several months, it had been working as a very, very strong support here. And before that, had been working as a resistance here for several weeks or months. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And now after the breakdown, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And before that, we also broke out this down channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout from this channel. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that since after the month of April 2021 up till the month of January 2023, the price has been moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to the current high, and you can see that it was more than 613% rally, but the pricing could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $700 and goes to $800. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for a spell, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price line dropped down and entered the buying zone. And after the completion of the final leg, we had a very, very massive pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price then found another down trend line resistance. And for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this down trend line resistance. And while moving to the downside, we have also broken down this very significant up trend line support as well that is now flipped into resistance. By the way, after this breakdown, the price end was bounced very well from this long-term support of $270. And again, we had a small bounce here, and recently the price end is once again bounced very well from the support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support of $270 has been breaking at a very, very nice support here and resistance here for several weeks, a month. And here it has been breaking at a support here for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it's breaking at a very, very nice support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. If the price line breaks out this down trend line resistance, then it can hit this up trend line resistance somewhere here, approximately at $390 or $389. And in case of breaking out this uptrend line resistance, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. You can see that previously after this breakout, the price then almost reached the target for the breakout from this red. That was by the way here at $700, and the price then rallied up to $639. By the way, from $700 to $800, we have a very long-term resistance zone here on the 7 days time frame chart. You can see that previously it has been working as a resistance zone here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here. And therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.